Welcome. This video series will introduce you to the Unvired Turbo App Builder, the admin portal. This web application is designed to be your convenient administrative hub, empowering you to manage forms and workflows and their utilization within your organization. Launch the portal, navigate to your web browser and enter the URL. Select language. Choose your preferred language for the interface using the drop-down menu in the right corner. Enter login credentials. Fill in the designated fields with your domain name, email address, and password. These credentials will be provided by your administrator or via a separate email notification. Once you've confirmed the accuracy of your information, click the Login button. You will see a Login with SSO option if your company uses single sign-on. The next video in this series will delve deeper into the Turbo App Builder interface, exploring the dashboard and its various features. Thanks for joining.